Using the Beauty Killer palette, and I sent a picture of it with all the colors and asked a couple friends to pick colors that they liked. So that's what I'm doing this one. This is the first person that responded back to me, and they said expensive, black, rainbow, and vanity. So we're doing expensive, black, rainbow, and vanity. They didn't give me any transition shade, but we're gonna work with it. I'm going to go in with my Color Workshop eyeshadow primer and apply that all over the lid up to my brow bone. I should use, you know what, I used Princess as my highlighter, so I'm going to use that for under my brow and my inner corner. So I'm going to go in with this brush and apply Princess under my brow. Alright, now using the same brush, I'm going to apply Expensive in a patting motion on all over my lid. There we go. So now I'm going to take this brush, which is a precision crease brush. It is number 219 from CAO. And I'm going to use Vanity, which is that chocolate brown, and apply that in my crease. I don't have a transition shade, so I am going to take, let me see, All Over Eye Blender by CAO. This is number 221. I'm going back in with Princess, and I'm going to try to blend that out so it's not so harsh. Okay. Now I'm also going to use this brush, same brush, and use Black Rainbow and apply it to my outer corner in a V. Kind of looks like a butterfly wing to me. There's actually a butterfly. I'm not sure what species it is. And there's a butterfly where I live that has very similar colors. Okay, this one is by the Color Workshop and it's called an angle liner brush. I'm going to use Vanity with this one and apply that to my lower lash line. About halfway in. Now I'm going in with a concealer brush, apparently, number 130 by CAO, and I'm going in with Expensive, and I'm putting that on the other half on the lower lash line. I'm going in with this brush, which is by Start Makers, apparently. I'm going in with Princess and applying that to my inner corner. Okay, so now moving on to blush. I'm still using the Beauty Killer palette. So I'm going in with Courtney and a little bit of Star Power. So Courtney and Star Power. Really like that. And smile. It's like super bright. Where'd my beauty blender go? It looks better now. So all that's left is lips. I lied. I need eyeliner and mascara too. I'm going to be using this NYX Lip Lingerie in Baby Doll. It is like my favorite one currently. And it is a matte. There we go. So this is the completed look. I actually really like the way it came out. And I hope you enjoyed this video too. I hope that I can actually do work in the beauty room tomorrow. Like I said, I ran out of time today. But this is, like I said, the completed look. And yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You can find me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I will link all of those down below. Stay beautiful, stay creative, and stay true to yourself. Bye, loves.